Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about silence work results. Not everyone needs to know your plans. Talking feels productive, but work creates results. Silence gives focus. Focus produces progress. Progress creates results. Many people announce every idea. Many explain every step. Few people work quietly. Those who work quietly succeed. If you are young, learn quietly, practice quietly, improve quietly, let actions speak. 1 hour of focused work beats 10 hours of talking. Do not wait for approval. Do not explain every step. Work in silence. Let results speak. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.